everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, then welcome to the channel. And today I'm back with one more interesting and simple exercise for beginners or the people who are interested in Python. So yeah, this is very interesting because all you need to do is to just convert Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit, and you guys know the formula already, and you guys know how we can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, and all we need to do is to implement that formula in the form of code, and we have to run it and we have to get the output. That's all. So yeah, this is a simple Python program where you can convert temperature, which is in Celsius, to Fahrenheit. In order to do this exercise, first we need to get Celsius from the user. As usual, as we did in the previous exercises, we're gonna use eval method. If you don't know eval method, then kindly go to the previous tutorials where you can understand the story of eval method and why I'm using this. If you wanna know, then that's pretty simple. If you use eval method, you don't have to worry about the type of variable. It will do your job. You don't have to worry. You don't have to explicitly give the type of the variable to integer or type of the variable to float. Now it's time to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. But before that, we have to know some tips so that we can complete this process of coding using those tips. So the first and foremost thing is we need to take input from the user, and that input must be in Celsius, and we have to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit. So for that we have a formula that is Fahrenheit equal to 9/5 into Celsius plus 32. Yeah, that's all. You just have to implement this formula and you're gonna get the result in Fahrenheit. So, but we have to follow some conditions here. Like if, for example, if that Fahrenheit is above 90, we're gonna say to that person is that it's really hot that you have to take care of, right? And also if it is less than 30, then we have to say that it is extremely cold so that the person can understand like how much cold it is. Okay, this is a bit interesting and you will understand these two things while writing code with me. So yeah, let's start coding. Let's take input from the user and let's convert it, and let's do these two interesting things here. So open your VS Code editor. I think you guys open your VS Code editor, and I just created a file called converter.py which converts Celsius to Fahrenheit. So yeah, the first and foremost thing is we have to take inputs from the user, and that the main input that we need is just a Celsius from the user. So let's take Celsius. Let's create a variable called Celsius. Celsius equal to, we're gonna take input, and at the same time we want user to see some message so that he can give us input in Celsius. What is Celsius temperature? Right, alright, and now, okay, this must be done. In order to convert to Fahrenheit, we have to just implement that formula. 9/5 into Celsius. Let's keep them in a bracket so that, and we just have to print the temperature. No, we have to print the temperature, and we also have some conditions that user must know. Okay, so print the Fahrenheit is so that you can show in Fahrenheit. We are done. If the Fahrenheit, the output that we got, is greater than 90, we have to print the result as it is really hot. So yeah, let's print it. If it is greater than 90, we're just gonna print it's really hot out there, be careful. If it exceeds 90, Be careful. What if it is less than 30? It is extremely cold, right? So let's make it. If Fahrenheit is less than 30, just print like it's like you're shivering out there, and be sure to dress warmly. Like it's extremely that much cold. Be sure to dress warmly. Yeah, that's it. You just have to say to the user account, and you are just giving some knowledge to the user that what if x is 90, what if it is less than 30. That's all. You just have to save. Yeah, now let's run it. So it is asking me the temperature. Right now my room temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, so I'll give 27. And the Fahrenheit is 80.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is a normal room temperature. It is not that hot. It is not that extremely cold. Let's give some temperature that exceeds. Let's see. Let's rerun this one. And it is asking me the temperature. This time I'm gonna give 44, for example. See, it's really hot out there. Be careful. It is converting, at the same time it's giving you some extra information if the temperature is exceeding the limit. What if the temperature is really, really low? Let's see. This time, if it is, for example, 12. Oh, I think that's a normal temperature. Let's give in. What if it is -2? Why I'm getting some error? Fahrenheit is less than 30. Line 9, type error, unsupported operand. See, I have this error here. I have to remove this one. And now I think this will work this time. What if the temperature is in negatives? -2. Yeah, see, it's saying that be sure to dress warmly. That's cool. You can also create a function called converter. Let me do this. Converter. And you can just keep these things out there inside that function. Just have to give a space of tab. Yeah, I think. And now we have this function called converter, and we just have to call this function converter. So let me use this one. So now let's save it and run this time. This will be, for example, the temperature is 41.0 Fahrenheit. It is converting. It's simple. You just have to keep all these instructions inside a function using this def keyword, and you have to call that function. And if you want, you can also implement this function in the previous 2 exercises that I did there. I didn't implemented functions. If you guys want to learn, if you guys want to do more with functions, you can just go there. Just try to keep functions over there where you can learn something new from there. Like, try it yourself. Create a function like I did here. Just have to call that function in order to run this program. That's pretty simple. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll be back with another interesting exercise. If you like the video, then hit that cute little like button, and if you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel for further updates, and I'll be back in the next video.